Okay, so welcome back, and now we're going to do another one where we're going to verify this identity. Okay, so the one thing I notice here, and this is one thing you're going to have to just be aware of, is whenever you have here, notice, first thing I notice I have 1 plus sine theta here and 1 minus sine theta here. Well, the one way to get the 1 minus sine theta here is I'm going to have to multiply the top and the bottom by the conjugate of this, okay? And so that's the first thing I noticed when I saw this, is I'm going to have to multiply the top and the bottom by the conjugate of this, which is 1 minus sine theta. And then see how things fall out from there. Now, the other thing you could try, but I don't think it's going to work, is split this up into two fractions, right? So you'd have cosine over 1 plus no, I'm sorry, you can't do that anyway, because you can't split up the denominator. I'm sorry, I wasn't thinking. So yeah, this is the denominator, so you cannot split this up. This one you could split up because it's on the top. Adding or subtracting is on the numerator. Okay, but here you can't split the denominator up into two pieces. So yeah, so the only way we're going to be able to do this is to multiply by this, the top and the bottom by the conjugate. Okay, so let's do that. So I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom and see what we get. So the first thing we're going to do is we get cosine theta over 1 plus sine theta, and I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by the conjugate. Okay, now here, this is going to give me a difference of two squares, right? Automatically, there's a reason for that. So, anytime we do a conjugate, we want to simplify the denominator, is typically what we're doing. So let's do this. So what do we get here? So we're going to end up getting cosine theta times 1 minus sine theta. Okay, and then we're going to get what? Well, we get, this is the difference of two squares, right? This is what we get when we factor it, so we know that this has to be equal to 1 minus sine squared theta. Aha! Well, what's 1 minus sine squared theta? That is cosine squared theta, right? So, let's see. And this cosine theta is going to cancel with one of those cosine thetas, and we get our result. 1 minus sine theta over cosine theta. And we're done. It's that easy. Have a great day.